shock and outrage over the rape of two kindergarten girls, 3 and 4 years of age, in Thane district's Badlapur. Human rights body NHRC has taken cognizance of the case, and the accused, Akshay Shinde, was a janitor. And this is very important. He was hired recently, on the 1st of August. It hadn't even been a month that he was hired. He's now been arrested. He appears to have allegedly raped two little students. 12th and 13th of August was when the incident happened. How did the incident surface? Remember, these are little children. When the students started to complain about pain in their private parts, that's when the parents learned of the abuse and sexual abuse when the medical examination was done. And remember that it's not one student, it's two students, and that's why the incident surfaced. In the FIR, students said that they were assaulted by this man, and that was Shinde, in a school's washroom, where he unclothed them and then raped them. Massive protests, understandably so, have broken out demanding stringent action. Angry mob also vandalized the school. Internet services were shut in Badlapur yesterday. They have been restored in parts. Maharashtra government has assured for the justice to the victims and their families. The case will be tried in a fast-track court. SIT also has been formed, which will be led by a woman police officer. But remember, what leads to the audacity of men or anyone, assaulter like them, to be able to do that to children? Is it the lack of fear of law, to think they will not be caught, and if caught, they'll easily get away?
Today, the situation has been brought back to normalcy right here at Badlapur. You can see office goers who are on their way to office. The railway system is back on track. Even the local train services of the central railway working. There are many policemen standing on guard right here at the railway station to make sure that nothing really untoward happens. On the other hand, the internet is the only problem. The internet services were shut down yesterday because the law and order situation was not getting back in hand, and that's one of the reasons. To control the situation, the internet services were blocked. Those internet services have not been restored as yet, and that would take a while, is what the administration has been stating. With cameraman Raju Revankar in Badlapur, Vidya for Eden Today.
महाराष्ट्र में भी अभी स्कूल में बच्चियां भी सुरक्षित नहीं है, फिर हर घर की बच्चियां स्कूल जाएंगी कैसी? महाराष्ट्र में प्यारी बहना योजना लाई है, लेकिन ये प्यारी बहन सुरक्षित कैसे होगी, इसके लिए कोई नहीं ध्यान दे रहा है। और इसमें पुलिस जो है वो तुरंत एक्शन नहीं लेती है। गृह मंत्री जी क्या कर रहे हैं? गृह मंत्री जी ने तुरंत जो है वो इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, और ये जो आरोपी है इनको अरेस्ट तो हुआ है, लेकिन 1 महीने के अंदर जो है वो इनको फांसी पर लटकाना चाहिए, तभी जो है वो ऐसे मामले जो है वो कम हो सकते हैं।
जो डिले हुआ है मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से, इसके लिए वहाँ पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बिठाया जाएगा, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाएगी उनका कहने के लिए, और ये एक्शन लिया जाएगा। जो वहाँ की प्रिंसिपल है उनको पोस्को के में एक ये रहता है कि विदिन 24 आवर्स आफ्टर यू गेट द नॉलेज ऑफ द इंसिडेंट्स यू विल हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू द नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन। वो उन्होंने नहीं किया, उसके लिए उनको भी आरोपी बना जाएगा।
अब माँ बाप हमारी बच्चियों को बड़े विश्वास के साथ स्कूल में भेजते हैं ताकि वो वहाँ जाए, भरोसा होता है टीचर है, प्रशासन है, अच्छी पढ़ेगी, मगर स्कूल में बच्चियां सेफ नहीं, 4 साल की। ये हो क्या गया है? किस तरह की ये मानसिकता लाते हैं ये दरिंदे? आप रेपिस्ट जो रेप करके बलात्कारी बाहर आता है उसका आप मान सम्मान करोगे, उसकी आरतियां उतारोगे, उनको चुनाव में लड़ने के लिए टिकट दे दोगे, तो उनके तो हौसलों को आप बुलंद कर रहे हो, इसलिए पढ़ रहे हैं। वजह ये है मेन। उसके बाद जो रेप एक्यूज जेल में जाता है, आप उसको जेल में कम और बाहर पेरोल में ज्यादा रखते हो।
निंदाजनक ऐसी चीज हुई है। हम महिलाएं कहाँ जाए? जो कलकत्ता में हो रहा है, यहाँ हो रहा है, गुजरात में जो रेपिस्ट है उनका स्वागत और सत्कार किया जाता है, और जब सत्ताधारी जब इन चीजों का समर्थन करते हैं तो लोगों को लग रहा है, जो विकृत जो शैतानी मन के होते हैं उनको लग रहा है कि हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं महिलाओं के ऊपर और हमको सजा नहीं मिलने वाली है। मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए।
मुझे लगता है कि बदलापुर हो या कोलकाता, हमें कभी कभार मानसिकता के ऊपर जरूर सोचना चाहिए। एक पुरुष प्रधान मानसिकता जहां आप एक पावर एग्जर्ट करते हैं, वहां एक चीज स्पष्ट है कि कानून का खौफ होना बहुत जरूरी है। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को बहुत ही सक्रिय रूप से काम करना है ताकि सजाए मौत मिले, ताकि ऐसे हादसे न देखने मिले।
I want to bring in my colleague Vidya. Vidya is presently in Badlapur where this incident has happened. Vidya, what is the sentiment on the ground? What exactly happened? Because, you know, how can children also not find safety? What happened in this school? Who was this man? How did the incident surface? Tell us all the details. What's happening now?
Well, since it's a case of POCSO, details, particular details about the victim cannot be, and the school details cannot be really revealed. But yes, in this particular case, the frustration really came to the parents and those associated with the kids was the fact that for about 12 hours, when they tried to get the complaint registered, the registration took a while. Then the FIR was, registered only 12 hours later, which is what added to the entire frustration. And also the school administration allegedly did not really take immediate action. Then the response was slightly cold, is what the family members have told everyone. And that's one of the reasons why this entire outpouring really happened. In this particular case, especially, the family members were frustrated with the sheer fact the way the administration was reacting, and that's also probably the reason why immediately after this, when a fresh case really came in the forefront, that is in Akola, where 6 kids have complained of being molested by their own teacher. The police administration really, got into action. They took immediate action and made sure that, the accused is arrested and put behind bars. So these kind of, issues especially need the fact that the administration take immediate action, which is what we had seen in Akola, but that had not really happened in Badlapur, and which is the reason why everyone's, being frustrated with this entire incident, started protesting, and this protest immediately, went on from the school. From outside the school, it went on to the roads, the highway, and to the railway station ultimately, where it lasted for about 10 hours before the lathi charge happened, and the police was able to clear the entire railway track.
How is the investigation going to go ahead? Because clearly, understandably, there will be a lot of anger. I'm a parent, and in fact, a child of kindergarten age. Completely understandable how difficult to even figure out what precisely would have happened in this case. So how is the investigation going to go ahead? How are the parents being assured that they will ensure that there will be fast, effective justice in this case?
Well, according to the complaint, the entire incident really happened between August 12 and 13. And it was only on August 17 that the accused was really arrested. The accused has been arrested and the investigation is going on. But remember, there are a lot of technical evidences that need to be involved, medical evidences. And remember, most of the evidences in these kind of cases are that of the child. The 4-year-old girls here in particular have to, give a statement before the police. Then they are taken before the magistrate. There is a whole, system that has to really work to make sure that the case is really proved against the accused. And certainly that's one of the reasons after this entire outpouring of protests that we have seen, the administration really got onto its foot. The police inspectors who had actually delayed the registration of the case, they were suspended immediately. The government assured the protesters that this entire case will be fast-tracked, put in a fast-track court, and apart from that, the investigation will be done by the best of the officers. So administration is now associating and assuring that this will be dealt with at the earliest, with the best of the evidences collected and put before the court at the earliest.
All right, Vidya, here's hoping that it will be quick, independent, thorough investigation in this case. Like Vidya is saying, there will be some evidence also required to ensure that this accused stays behind bars.